First you get that money, then you get that power. If he tune in, knows up, but he on that powder. Now you walk around with 50 in your trousers. Diamonds bullying on my chest, no fucking blouse. Bitch, I make it rain shower. You dig that? They wouldn't know a thing about you if you zip that. Hit him with that blocker, nigga, get back. Feed that bitch that never crack, get that. Before I go without a
work time. Alright, run Beezy here. Another day on the Beezy vlog, Beezy way. Oh yeah, with my nephew, we're gonna do some work on the car today. I'm gonna be putting on the rims, testing out the wheel spacers, and you see how far they stick out so I can order the fender flares to the precise measurement that you're gonna need still. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna change the full front end, 2000 to 96 conversion. The sharp face in the rust. You know what I'm talking about? The front end with the rust and the short teeth. What fenders, bumper, headlights, hood, etc. This brother.
So been making your car run out this time.
Shut the fuck up. Remember this custom made duck bill, boy. Hey, first rim on and some fresh headlights. Old headlights. Fresh new headlights. It's done now. Alright, and back to what I was saying now. And I see nobody converting 2000 to 96 before, so possibly I'm the first person that came on to do that. But some people might call it going backwards, but oh well. We're going to send on a fresh 2000 front end. If I don't want to do that, by all means, Mount Pleasant, you know, West Bay, and just drop it off by my yard, boy, be Gucci with it, bro. Dap you up in thing, but anyways, yeah.
Gotta make it OEM. That's all you freaking hearing. I'm in the rebuilding cars.
What are people in America business for?
Gotta make the car OEM, man. And man, everybody on Instagram, bro, spotted. And one time I'm gonna do it too in a car. One time you buy bar lane, I'll come across over the bus. And I see the car in time. I look across that Junjun car though. Went straight past it. It's not a Honda without zip ties. When you don't want no bolts, that's true. Oh, you come do work now, Robert? You come do work now?
Robert not help me around this house for a whole week, man. All he even know is come home, play a game, or watch TV. Not help me feed no dog, nothing. Let her down, old buddy. Damn, Daniel.
Damn, man.
That does sound good. Alignment off, don't it? She got a little bit, she toe out. Look it. You got too much toe out, you see it? The car jacked down. The car jacked down. Oh god, it actually like right here, sitting right on top of it, bro. It's sitting on it, man, but we unroll it fenders regardless. Right. Yo, this is so fat. They never seen 15 by 10 on a Civic in Cayman before, bro. This is why it's good never to throw away any bolts from your cars. See, we need some 10mm for the bottom of the fender. We got enough now.
You even got 10mm socket?
Yep, right on that. We got enough now, man. I'm prepared. This one dies, huh? This one dies.
So what we're doing now? Putting on the fender now.
Oh fuck, get the other side marker. Oh, that other fender. It's for all the people that don't know nothing about one of the easiest fuck. You got a clip right there? Push that. Comes right out. You just pelt it in the job.
Man, you like your feet or something, you know?
My boy, you didn't got on no shoes. Look at your toes.
So, doesn't matter.
Cheese on peas.
Those are my toes.
Robert.
What?
Look at the camera.
Yeah.
Who you want to shout out?
Shout out Lighthouse. Lighthouse gang. Big blossom.
Supposed to be beside you.
Now they fucking biting me, so I'm on the ground with them. Just for you guys to know, this is the round drill to use. This is an impact drill. This will fucking cross thread and the holes you got to put in screws. So just mind how you deal with these things. Yeah. This is why it's good to have helpers, aka nephews, aka slaves.
I heard you. I guess because of the ground.
No, go it over. That one marks out. But I did that for a reason, to do a different one, so I don't know if it, to say it been sitting on so long, it just
Creek, no?
yeah. Or it could have the shot more dead on this side.
Yeah, because that shot
bust out.
Yeah, they don't push anything. That's a wrap.
You think this boon of guns are?
Huh?
You think this boon of guns are?
No, we rest it, yeah.
This boon of guns. You're rolling, huh?
Yeah.
Fuck, I took off my hat and
Oh well,
my head.
I recorded head up anyways.
The worst thing to ever do is cross thread. Stud. Like, that already fuck up my life. You gotta take off the whole road.
All my friends for the dream car. Benz, you know, type of big things there. Me, I think my thing is simple. Honda. My first car, I'm gonna get a Ford though. A Ford Escape.
No dream car, not no Honda.
Wait, yeah.
Tell you what I mean, son. I want Corolla 86, the old ones. But I don't want a hot, but I want a coupe. I want S13 and an S14. A R32. A fucking, I'll tell you what I want, Sora. Not Super, not Sora. This one comes Turbo 2, JZ2, and a Chaser. I don't really care about, you know?
The reason why I want to get a coupe, cause you said you be going around like you don't carry no body, but yet you got 4-door.
Oh fuck, I thought this thing on time lapse the whole time. This thing is on actual video. It's coming to life, nigga. Front knee go lower though. You know. Cause the horn in my room. But I want to get one of them aftermarket ones. So you could show through the grill.
Type R ones that I have mine.
What the fuck you did with them again?
I have put them in drill bucket. Cause I was telling you about it, hopefully that you have worn them. But you have to say, you're going to show me your ass if you beef or something.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
And
A fucking brick inside. Just for you guys to know, this is the round drill to use. This is an impact drill. A hot idiot. I tell on YouTube, this what you don't use impact drills for fucking nuts. The thing break inside, you know? Moment of truth. Where you going? No, I said lower the car. It's still too low. It just look extra big tonight, man. Turn more of these, let's make them see. But yeah, we Put the car back together, about 75% of the car. The bumper need go on, the lights need fixed.
Just say 70%. Cause we still got a couple more stuff.
And the hood, you need to get the hood.
Yeah.
The spark plug wires, but put on the rims and the spacers and all that other shit. Took it for a drive, but the spark plug wires kept busting out. I need no one, so today's Sunday, so whenever I get chance, I just go Parkers or not. Yeah, we going, gonna drop him home, you know.
Back to my house.
Yeah, call it a night, Beezy Way. You done know.